Next one I want to build is the other champion, the Wyrd. He's going to be a Pyromancer. Pyromancer's special ability: if you only ever select powers from Pyromancy, you get this. Fire shield. Fighter cannot be set on fire. In other words, fighter is immune to blaze condition and will never become subject to it. Perfect, because in every campaign I've played, the one thing that always messes with me the most is fire. I think scouring is what we do. So I think he's going to have the scouring psychic power, because then he basically is a flamer. Now I just need to give him a close combat, a melee weapon. I think he should have a power sword, because I mean he's already fairly inexpensive points wise as a champion. He's going to start out at 60 credits. Making him a Wyrd doesn't increase that at all. So he's going to be 125. He's got mesh armor, power sword, and he has the scouring ability, which is a flame weapon. Let's make the model. So we're going to start off with the body of one of these guys, a Empire Flagellant model. Alright, well, we're coming along. Okay, so now I want to get to the basic guys, the scum. So, flails are great, auto pistols, stub guns, lasguns, yada yada yada. Those are all good, so let's make some of those. There we go. That's a guy. Look at that guy. Perfect. All right. Okay, this guy here with the cool backpack, we need to do something about him. Perfect. Alright, so we got now 3 of those guys that are close combat. Now we are going to need to make 2 guys with guns. Shooting las guns. Because we need something. So I'm going to use the legs from this guy, which is a scout. And, you know, I have more scout legs I could get. Unless I wanted to use... No, I don't think I want to use something else. Fishman scout legs are kind of big, but they're not too big. Let me go find another pair of scout legs. I like him a lot. All right. Just like that. I think we're good. Okay, so let me set up the turntable and we'll take a look at these guys. Let's get a closer look at them. And here they are in all of their glory. The entire gang with the Kriegmeister and the Jägerkin, the champion, the other champion who is the Wyrd Pyromancer, the 2 gangers with las guns, and the other 3 gangers with close combat weapons. There it is. In the next part of the series, I will be painting them. Until then.